Hi fabulous people, and welcome to my tutorial for today. I'm going to be doing something very quick but very interesting and beautiful. I'm going to be making a flower out of this fabric. So today's tutorial is going to be all about making a fabric flower, and the material we shall be needing for today's class as follows: the fabric, your tape, scissors, pencil, glue, paper or hairstay. You can choose any of the two you want, and of course your needle and thread. Okay, before we continue, I want to appreciate you guys for your views, for subscribing. Thank you for your comments, and if you are new to my channel, please, I implore you, hit that red icon to subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell also. Just hit it so that once I upload you get notification. So let's just get straight to the point. Okay, as you can see, I folded my fabric already into two. I hope you can see it is 1.5 inches. You can choose any length you want. You can choose 3 if you want your flower to be big. You can choose any length at all you want. And then as for this other side, the length on the other side, you can also decide it. It depends on how big you want your flower or how full you want it to be. Okay, now having joined the flower to the fabric together, I folded it. What I should just do is to begin my stitch, very temporarily stitch. So basically I will just walk all the way through the length of my strip, of this strip. I will continue with this temporary stitch all through the end of the strip. Okay, so having done my temporary stitch, I'm going to now go ahead and squeeze it together. Not so close anyway. I'm going to make it to have a little crease. Okay. You can also use your sewing machine to do this. As you go, you pleat. As you go, you pleat. If you don't want to use a hand needle, you can use your sewing machine to just give it a little pleat. Okay, now I already cut out this. I used 3 inches measurement to cut it out. This is it, 3 inches. It is optional. If you want, you can use a hairstay. If you like, you use paper. This is just an ordinary paper, but I prefer using this hairstay in order to be able to fold my flower, because if you use this one, it means it is now permanent this way. Okay, but you can use any of the two. The next thing should be to just draw out like a flounce, as if you want to cut a flounce. You just draw it out, the line for a flounce out here. So this is what I mean. This is just to serve as a guide when you are putting your flower. It just serves as a guide, nothing more. Okay, after this now, you use your glue. So you can see I've added the glue to it. So I will just start placing my fabric according to the lines I earlier drew out. You make sure it is firmly glued to the base. So like I said, it's very simple. This is it. So instead of going to the market to buy your flowers, you make it yourself using this very, very easy procedure. Thank you guys so very much for watching till the end. I appreciate you guys. And if you are new, please hit that red icon, and also don't forget the notification bell. Till we get to meet again in my next class, take very good care of yourself and keep your head high. Bye.